Goes a Cessna crossing over from the fireman's house, the headlight and the wing lights. Flash, flash, flash. 1, 2, 3. White, white, white. White, white, white. White, white, white. He's doing a Doppler. I think it's actually a green light. I don't know. I think they're actually green. Like they're supposed to be. Left, right, left, right, left. He's only like 80 feet away and he's already turned it off. Left, right, 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 right, left, right, right pulse back to center, right pulse back to center, little center, center pulse, little right, little left pulse back to center, little left, center, little right pulse, left pulse, right pulse, left pulse, right, left, right, left, right pulse, left pulse, right pulse. Now he's far out over the 2-story house.